So guys, I was at work today and I found out the weirdest thing. Today is International Caesar Day.
First time hearing about that.
Now, Caesar, like your Caesar salad, like healthy meal, there's a day for everything now. But you know what? It's coincidental that today is International Caesar Day because I'm craving some Caesar salad or something healthy, right? So I've been seeing that today is International Caesar Day. I decided to take a break from the usual fries and chicken and pizza and junk that we usually eat. And we decided we're gonna go healthy. So we decided to go to this restaurant. It's called Freshies here in Grande Prairie. Now we have never been there before, guys. So we want to go in there and give you guys our honest review of what it is. From what we have read so far, Freshies are healthy restaurant.
Yeah.
So who knows? This is where I should be camping out.
Maybe.
Come along on the journey, guys. Let's see what Freshies are. As I was telling you, I'm tired of the fried chicken and I decided to go with an healthy option. As soon as I came through the door, I saw this guy. Who is this guy? Now this guy is Asid Ahmad.
Yeah.
Did I get it right?
Hasib, yeah.
He's actually the owner of Freshies, so you know who's not paying for their food today. That's me. No. So, first time here. First time here.
Yeah.
First time here. For anybody who's watching this video, of course you're in Grande Prairie and you want an healthy option. What does Freshie represent? Why should somebody come to Freshie?
I mean, it's, as you said, like healthy options. We offer so many, we have salads, we have wraps, we have burritos, our bowls, they are the best selling, like soups, like we have so many options. From the name, you can probably just tell it's just salads, but we have so many other options. The other thing, if you notice there, we have cleansers, juice cleansers. They're really good, the cleansers.
You guys have kombucha?
We have kombuchas, we have cleansers, and the cleansers are really good in terms of when you're tired of fried chicken or
That's
tired
me.
of
That's
other
me.
stuff. So sometimes you need to cleanse your body. So
That's
they're
right.
really good. They come in 2 days courses. They are in 5-day programs. So there's programs that we recommend.
You know, that's so awesome because I did not know that there was somewhere like this available in Grande Prairie, and I'm sure that a lot of persons watching this video right now is not aware. So I'm really happy that we decided to treat ourselves to a healthy meal today. Absolutely. But why did you decide to get into this kind of business? Is it like a personal choice to get into a healthy business, or is it just another business? What do you think?
I think I needed to have some healthy food, and I really liked it. I've been here before. I used to come here. I work very close from here, so I used to come here a lot for lunch with my colleagues.
Okay.
Really liked it, and then an opportunity came where the existing owner was selling it. So just grabbed on the opportunity. So yeah.
So do you only eat healthy food, or do you eat fried chicken also?
Oh, come on.
So then I don't feel that bad. But guys, we're gonna definitely try something from Freshie here today. So we're gonna give you guys our honest review, and I want you guys to make sure that if we like it, it means that you guys are gonna like it too, because I'd like to think we have good taste, right? So you guys can definitely come and check it out, and I'll give you guys our honest review. All right? Thank you so much for this free food. That I'm about to get. See what I'm doing? And 5-day option for the cleansers.
Yeah.
This is so good because, like, for example, like for me, I'm always feeling bloated.
Whatever you want.
Where's the menu? Is this the menu?
Yeah, this is the menu.
Yeah. So guys, let's take a look on the menu. First thing I noticed is that the prices are very affordable. I haven't had this much leaf in a long time, so not gonna lie, I'm like low-key not that excited, but I'm somewhat excited. So we'll take a look. So Nats, are you feeling healthy today?
I'm always healthy, so let's
You're not always healthy. You had a big Mary spicy burger today for lunch.
yeah.
What are you feeling like you want to get? Spicy lemongrass.
Okay, look. It's nice. And even this one.
You know what? This is a hard decision, guys. This is a very hard decision. What do you guys recommend?
Yes. What do you guys
What do you guys recommend?
This is our best seller, the Buddha Satya.
This one?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, we'll take.
Sauce is tofu.
Spicy, it's tasty.
It's tasty.
It's really good.
So we'll take one of that.
Okay, sure.
And what else do you recommend? Or what else do you feel for?
So would you like it with chicken, the Buddha Satya bowl?
What are the options?
Tofu, steak.
Not no tofu. The leaves are enough healthy. Yeah. So chicken, definitely chicken. Yeah. What are you feeling for? Oh, so I did get it complimentary. Oh my god. Okay.
So you want two of those, the Buddha Satya bowls?
No, just one. Yeah, we want to try something else.
What is it? I'm not sure. Brown rice chicken and don't
See, this is what I can tell you're not really used to these healthy options.
It's just
No?
my chicken.
Do you guys have anything that tastes like fried chicken? No.
This looks nice though.
Yeah. What about
With the
this? What do you guys think
avocado
about
and
this?
spices.
Tell me about this.
Very crunchy. With the Cobb salad,
Yeah.
it's really popular.
That's
If you want a
popular too?
salad, yeah, it's popular.
Okay, we'll try. What is it called?
It's called Cobb salad.
Cobb salad.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try that one too.
Boiled egg, avocado, bacon, aged
Yeah.
cheddar, tomatoes.
And you know what?
Take out the tomato.
No tomatoes?
No tomatoes. What type of soup do you guys have first?
So we have creamy tomato and spicy lemongrass.
We'll take a spicy lemongrass soup, small, yeah, just to try, yeah. And then that's it. The opening hours of Freshies. So if it is that you're hungry on a Monday, the Thursday, it opens at 10 in the morning and closes at 9 at night. So enough time to get your healthy food in. Fridays it's 10 to 10, Saturdays it's 11 to 10, and Sundays it's 11 to 9. So I think those are pretty good hours, right? And where's Freshies? It's located right in the Best Buy Plaza, our lot, our open area, right across from Costco. So if you're in Grande Prairie and you want to know where is Freshie, you can pop it into your Google Maps or pop it into your iPhone, or if you don't have any of those devices, you just come to Costco, cross the street, and then it's across from Best Buy. Alright, that's where it's located. And if it is that you are too lazy to make it to the location, of course there's a Freshie app that you can.
DIIP app, and you can get points, and then after
That's
so many,
can lead to-
accumulating so many points, you can get free.
redeem it for.
And we also get customized offers as well from the app. So
Sweet.
that's really
And is the app located in like Google Play Store, the apps?
yeah,
app
it's available on Apple Store and Google Play Store as well.
Absolutely. So, if you guys are too lazy to drive to where Best Buy is located, then you can go on the Google Play Store and definitely get your Freshie food ordered from the Freshie app. Alright, thank me later, guys. So, I thought I was getting free food today, but you know what? I'm not the only one who's benefiting today. So, you said you guys offer discounts?
Yeah, so we offer discounts to gym members. So of course we offer healthy options. So you show your gym membership card, we offer discounts for gym membership. We offer discounts to students. We offer discounts to healthcare workers, and we have recently been serving food to the firefighters that have been fighting these fires.
That's amazing.
And then we have been offering them whatever additional discounts we could. So
That's amazing. That's absolute. I think we should have led with that. I think we should have started with that. So you said gym member, any gym.
Yeah, any gym you show your membership card and you get a discount.
I have a gym membership card at home. I don't go to the gym very often, you can probably tell. But if you're a gym member, if you're a student, if you're a healthcare worker, firefighter, pretty much everybody, there's a discount for you. Absolutely, that's amazing. So it's moment of truth, guys. The food is ready. Nancy's looking excited.
Yeah, it's empty. I want to lose weight.
Want to lose weight? Can you grab the soup, please? Okay. Let's go and have a seat. Let's go and have a seat.
Yeah, it's good though.
Good. What does it look, guys?
Crunchy.
Yes.
Fresh and crunchy.
I am not sure. I'm not sure what this is, but
You
it's
didn't put
very
any
good.
sauces on there, right?
But it's spicy enough. It's very spicy.
Yeah. Buddha satay? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Buddha satay is good. Yeah.
You reckon? This is very good. Nice. Believe me when I say this is excellent. This is excellent. And we're not just saying that. You guys know that we're not just saying that. Guys, I thought I don't want to go. So I have to pay for that one. Everything has its own taste. You know, sometimes you're eating a healthy food and it tastes earthy, like it's very raw and just blah. Flavorful. Very flavorful. Very, very flavorful. Do me a favor, guys. If you're in Grande Prairie and you're watching this video, the next time you're not sure what you want to eat, try Freshies and then drop a comment underneath this video and let me know what you think about the food after you have had it. Guys, pardon the mess. Mommy, I want to see me. Can I eat no more? Want the soup? So this is a lemongrass soup. That's really like it. The soup is alright to me. It's not my favorite, but not like it, but the food. Lettuce.
This is when you're working out and you know you want to stick to something healthy.
Not necessarily, no.
But if you want to stick to something healthy.
This is if you just want something to eat that tastes good and you know that you're always getting something healthy. If you're working out or not, this is a good spot. And you know that what you're getting is healthy. Right now it's man against food. Our food is winning. I'm trying my best to eat off everything, but it's a lot. So food is one, man is zero. Let's see. So update, guys. Man against food. Man 1. Food 0. Guys, this is almost on par with the best food that we have had since being in Grande Prairie. This, whatever this is called, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what it's called. But it was excellent. It was a perfect balance of spice, sweet, noodles. It's like the sauce, it was like excellent. Right? 100%. And of course, you guys know that our reviews are always authentic. If you didn't like it, you'd have known. Food is good, guys. And we just want to say thank you to Asim for giving us our meal for free, even though it was just a joke. And you know what, guys? Everything is just not a coincidence, right? So we're happy that we decided to stop by here tonight. Our tummies, as Malia would say, yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my tummy. My tummy is very happy right now. And I don't feel bloated. That's the part. Like, probably I'm not doing justice to show you guys like how deep this bowl is or the amount of food that came into it, but it was a lot.
Yes, it was.
It was a challenge to like finish it, but I was determined. So after finishing it, I don't feel bloated. You know, like when you eat a lot of rice and you feel like hack up and sluggard and sleepy and stuff afterwards. None of that feeling. None of that feeling. It was all good. That's my honest review. What about you guys? What do you think?
I love the food. I love what you got. As I said, I don't remember the name of it, but it really tastes really good. It tastes really, really good. It was not as tasty as the Mars, but yeah, and I also like the soup. Yeah, overall, I will give, yeah, good.
I would give rating. What I got, I would give what I got 9.5 out of 10. And the reason I didn't get 10 out of 10 is because there's no perfect meal. Now what Nuts got, I'd probably give it a fair price of 8. 7.58. And the reason why I give it an 8 is because it had bacon in it, and I'm not a huge bacon fan. But other than that, it was good as well. But after tasting this one is like a bit inferior to this one, but it was still very good. It was still very good, but it was just not as nice as this one. Like as soon as I tasted this one, I was like,
Yes.
right?
This is what you're going to order every time you get here.
Because I'm a creature of habit. No, I'm not going to stop being able to come. I'm not going to stop coming to Freshie.
As you said, you don't feel, as you said, after eating, you don't feel bloated. You feel
Normal.
Not after you shove your face with food, you feel bloated and sluggish and
Lethargic and yeah.
This
And
one, you feel like you have more energy, you can go again.
And the food digested like almost the same time. Like you don't feel like before you know it, I'm gonna be hungry again. But a glass of water or a glass of kombucha that they sell here will do the trick, right? But it was excellent. Excellent. Highly recommended. If you guys are in Grande Prairie or surrounding areas and you want something to eat and you want something to try, highly recommend Freshies. Right now we're Freshies ambassador. I need a Freshies shirt. But they don't have a shirt right there. I need a Freshies shirt. If you guys are new here, you know what to do. Before you leave, take a second to hit that subscribe button. We're on to 13,000 subscribers. We can't do it without you guys. So hit on that little button right down below. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the video. And drop a comment. Let us know what you think about not only this video, but also about the other videos that's also on our channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next video.